Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices and credentials because a stalled backup wastes time. Connect your phone to Wi-Fi and plug-in power. Unlock any account you'll use. Next, pick a method, Cloud Sync, SIM export, or local computer copy, so you know the destination. Once chosen, open the Contacts app or settings and sign into the cloud account if using one. Make sure you allow contact permissions and that the phone keeps the screen on. This prevents interruptions during the export process. Now perform the core steps based on your chosen method so your numbers are safely copied. If cloud syncing, open accounts, enable Contact Sync, then tap Sync Now, confirm new entries upload. If exporting to SIM, select all contacts and choose Export to SIM and check that you're under the SIM contact limit. If saving locally, export a vCard file to internal storage and immediately copy it to your computer or cloud. Once done, verify the file size and count match the original contact total to ensure completeness. Finish by verifying that all contacts transferred correctly so you can rely on the backup. Open the target account or device and count entries. Spot check popular contacts and numbers. If anything is missing, make sure contact display filters aren't hiding entries and examine group or account settings. When you encounter errors, retry with a different method, export a vCard if cloud failed, or import that vCard into the target account. If still failing, restart both devices and repeat the safe export-import sequence to clear transient glitches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.